Welcome back. In today's video, we're solving question 46. How to find the median employee salary for each department using SQL Server. We have an employees table. Each row stores information about an employee, their ID, name, salary, and the department they belong to. Our goal is to return the median salary for each department. Remember, the median is the middle value when the data is sorted. If there's an odd number of employees, the median is the middle salary. If there's an even number, the median is the average of the two middle salaries. The following is a sample of expected output. We want one row per department, with the department ID in ascending order. Now let's see the solutions in SQL Server. Solution 1. CTE plus window functions plus union. In our first solution, we use a CTE with row number and count window functions. Count, star, over, partition by department ID, gives total employees, CNT, per department. Row number assigns each employee a position sorted by salary. Then we handle two cases. 1. If the department has an odd number of employees, we take the middle salary using ceiling, CNT multiply 1.0 and divided by 2. 2. If the department has an even number of employees, we take the average of the two middle rows. That's why we use a union of two queries, one for odd counts, one for even counts. This is a direct mathematical implementation of the median definition. And notice the trick. CNT multiply 1.0 and divided by 2. This is important because CNT is an integer, and integer division would truncate the result. Multiplying by 1.0 converts it to floating point so that ceiling works correctly. Solution 2. CTE plus row number plus grouping. In this solution, we avoid the union by numbering the rows in both directions. In the first CTE, RN up assigns row numbers ascending with lowest salary equals 1. RN down assigns row numbers descending with highest salary equals 1. In CTE 1, the middle rows are exactly where RN up equals RN down means odd count with one middle row. ABS RN up minus RN down means even count with two middle rows. In the main final query, we take the average salary of those middle rows. For odd case, average of one row equals that salary. For even case, average of two rows equals median. This works for both odd and even cases and produces the same result. Solution 3. Subquery plus row number. Solution 3 uses a subquery with row number and count. In this solution, subquery calculates total employees per department, CNT. Row number sorted by salary, RN. Where clause picks median rows. If odd middle is CNT divided by 2 plus 1. If even rows at CNT divided by 2 and CNT divided by 2 plus 1. Outer query averages the selected rows. This is the most compact solution, no union and no second CTE. To wrap up, we've looked at 3 different ways to calculate the median salary per department. Solution 1. CTE plus union. Most explicit, easy to follow. Separates odd versus even cases clearly. Solution 2. Row number both directions. Clever trick, elegant. Only one branch of logic. Solution 3. Subquery. Most concise. All cases handled in one where clause. All 3 solutions return the same result. Which you choose depends on whether you prefer clarity, elegance, or conciseness. This is a great example of how window functions can be used to solve real-world analytical problems in SQL. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.